I'm over here sewing and she flew from my shoulder to this scoodie over here and she just sitting on it and preening. You got a feather in your nose. Yeah. Ooh, it's clogging up your nose, honey. You need to sneeze it out or something. Okay, I'll go back to sewing. I'm not fooled, Mom. I can see that you still have your phone. It's hard to do one-handed. Oh, she goes. Preen, preen. Oh. Yeah, are you getting birdie dust and dander all over my hat? Yeah. Good thing that's Mommy's. What if that was a hat that I had to send to someone? Did you think about that? Yeah, and you don't care? Okay. All the hats are yours. All the hats are mine, Mom. I can do what I want with them. Is that so? Yep. Okay. Well, as long as you don't go potty on it. Or try to eat the fur. Yep. Yeah, go back to preening. She's like, you're still recording me, I can tell. You can't fool me with your sewing. Cutie. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You keep preening, I'll keep sewing. Making a cockatiel scoodie. Yeah. Yep, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 cockatiel scoodies to finish and 1 packaged up and ready to go. That's a lot. That's a lot of people dressing up as cockatiels for Halloween, huh? How fun. None of them look like you, though. Sorry. No. I said no going potty. Okay, go poopy in the trash can. Poopy. Now she looks at me like, I wasn't going to go poo. Did you go? Okay. Now you can go back on the hat. Silly birdie. Silly birdie. I love you. Say bye. I love you. Okay, bye-bye. She has climbed down onto the ear, trying to see if she can nest back here somewhere. And she doesn't realize she's like pulling the hat off of the mannequin when she does that. Hey, you're lucky I grabbed it and adjusted it a bit for you, because otherwise you would have fallen right off. What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to nest back there. I promise. Hi. Hey, look at me. Hi. Do I need to make you a perch that's just a faux fur hat on a mannequin head? Yeah, you don't want to go down there either. What are you doing? Well, hopefully the hat doesn't fall off. She's pretty light, but I have a feeling if she moves to the tip of the ear, it's gonna fall. Do you need help to get back to the top? Move this trash can out of the way. Do you need help? Is that what you're asking for, is help? To climb back up on top? Let me fix it. Oh. Mom, don't touch my hat. Mom, it's my hat. It's your hat? Okay. Are you looking at that? Maybe that's what she was looking at, is that parrot statue. Yeah, you're talking to the parrot? 2 parrots, really. 3 parrots. Okay, I gotta get back to sewing, but you might not want to crawl down on the ears again, okay? Silly girl.